Hi and welcome. I'm so glad you found my channel. My name is Erin, and on my videos I show you how to create DIY bath and beauty products. So let's go ahead and get started with this week's video. Today I'm going to show you how to make this foaming face cleanser. This is great for oily skin. It creates a nice lather and it is very simple to create. So let's go ahead and get started. To begin with, I'll be adding some distilled water to my beaker. This will help to hydrate the skin, and it will also help to remove any impurities from the skin because it acts as a surfactant. Next, I'm adding some witch hazel hydrosol. This is very helpful when it comes to controlling and balancing excess sebum production on the skin. It will also shrink the pores and calm and soothe the skin too. This next ingredient I'm adding is lavender floral water. This will give the formula a nice light scent and it will help to regulate sebum production on the skin. For the surfactant today, I'm using Isolex. This is a blend of 4 different types of surfactants. It's very gentle on the skin and produces a nice, luxurious lather. Now it's time for me to go ahead and add my preservative. The one that I'm using today is Liquid Dermal Plus. This is a broad spectrum preservative, and it will help to keep any mold, bacteria, or fungi from growing in our face cleanser. Once that preservative has been added, I'm gently stirring. I don't know if you can tell here in this video, but the Isolex has sunk to the bottom of the beaker, and I just want to make sure, since that really is what is going to act as our cleansing agent, I want to make sure that it's nicely incorporated throughout the face cleanser. All right, so I'm now pouring everything into my foaming bottle. This formula makes exactly 8 ounces, and it can be used on the face daily. I have already checked the pH level of this cleanser, and it is within that normal 4.5 to 5.5 range. Here is a look at the cleanser. As you can tell, it does create a nice foaming lather. It also rinses off very nicely, and it leaves the skin feeling nice and refreshed and not dried out. So here is the one substitution that I would recommend when it comes to making this formula, and that would be simply using more distilled water in place of the lavender floral water. When it comes to any substitutions for the Isolex or for the witch hazel, I do not have any for this particular face cleanser. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more DIY formulas, don't forget to like and subscribe.